It's me, Mario!
Southern County in Northern Virginia, northwestern Arlington County in Northern Virginia, the Sioux Falls Church in Northern Virginia, northern Fairfax County in Northern Virginia, northwestern Prince William County in Northern Virginia, until 4:30 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Herndon, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source indicated. Impact. Damaged winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become volatile. Locations impacted include Arlington, Bethesda, Renton, South Riding, Herndon, Vienna, Falls Church, Broadland, Rose Island, Brambleton, Emmett Hills, McLean, American Legion Bridge, Dulles International Airport, Potomac, Ashburn, Oakton, Chantilly, and Tyson's Corner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. To report severe weather, contact the nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in Sterling, Virginia.
Issued severe thunderstorm watch number 571, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Virginia, Accomack, Gloucester, Isle of Wight, James City, Northampton, Southampton, Surrey, Sussex, and York, and the following independent cities: in Virginia, Chesapeake, Franklin, Hampton, Newport News, Norfolk, Hoboken, Portsmouth, Suffolk, Virginia Beach, and Williamsburg, and the following marine locations: Chesapeake Bay from New Point Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia, Chesapeake Bay from Little Creek, Virginia to Cape Henry, Virginia, including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, James River from James River Bridge to Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel, and coastal waters from Cape Charles Light, Virginia to North Carolina, Virginia border out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. What? Dangerously hot?
County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, south central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Pike Creek, or over Newark, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Newark, Chester, West Deptford, Pennsville, Carneys Point, Ellesmere, Paulsboro, Kennett Square, Newcastle, Penns Grove, Salem, Woodstown, Alloway, National Park, Swedesboro, Delaware City, Newport, Arden, and Stanton. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 1 and 2. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 9. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile marker 0 and 23. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile marker 0 and 22. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Chester and Delaware, and Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey: Cumberland, Gloucester, and Salem.
I think there are moments.
So
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Sussex County in southern Delaware until 6:45 p.m. At 6:17 p.m. Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bridgeville, or 11 miles northwest of Georgetown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Bridgeville, Ellendale, and Greenwood. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
continues to move into Sussex County here. Again, we're
Southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Carroll, Louisetta, Farnham, and Eastville around 7 p.m. Rodley around 7:05 p.m. Wycombe Church around 7:20 p.m. Fairport and Lancaster around 7:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Lotsburg, Three-Way, Regina, Avalon, Brookvale, Mount Holly, Nutsville, Reedville, Edwardsville, and Tidewater. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring. Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, south central Charles County in southern Maryland, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:38 p.m. Severe thunderstorm was located over St. Clair Bay, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Lexington Park, Leonardtown, Piney Point, Tall Timbers, St. Inigo's Creek, St. Mary's City, St. George Island, St. Clements Bay, Wycombe River, St. Mary's River, White Point Beach, California, Keatuxent River Naval Air Station, Carp Island, Rock Point, Bushwood, Issue, Able, Valley Lee, and Skyland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Somerset County in southeastern Maryland, southwestern Worcester County in southeastern Maryland, northern Accomack County in southeastern The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Somerset County. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Pocomoke City, Lasonia, West Pocomoke, Marion Station, Tylerton, Crowwood, Horntown, Knoxville, Goodwill, Greenbackville, Kingston, Wallops Island, Temperanceville, Shelltown, Sanford, Oak Hall, Asselwoman, Beaver Dam, Byrontown. Expect damage to trees. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415 to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Somerset County in southeastern Maryland, southwestern Worcester County in southeastern Maryland, northern Accomack County in southeastern Virginia until 9:30 p.m. At 8:44 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located near Lasonia, or 18 miles southwest of Princess Anne, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Pocomoke City, Lasonia, West Pocomoke, Marion Station, Tylerton, Harwood, Horntown, Knoxville, Goodwill, Greenbackville, Kingston, Wallops Island, Temperanceville, Shelltown, Sanford, Oak Hall, Asselwoman, Beaver Dam, Byrontown, and Fairmount. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. On the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. From 9:30 p.m. At 8:44 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located near Lasonia, or 18 miles southwest of Princess Anne, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Pocomoke City, Lasonia, West Pocomoke, Marion Station, Tylerton, Harwood, Horntown, Knoxville, Goodwill, Greenbackville, Kingston, Wallops Island, Temperanceville, Shelltown, Sanford, Oak Hall, Asselwoman, Beaver Dam, Byrontown, and Fairmount. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
To draw